What if I told you one place on Earth helps you breathe every second? The Amazon rainforest spreads across 9 countries and is called the lungs of Earth. It is one of the biggest ecosystems on the planet, producing massive amounts of oxygen and storing carbon. Home to millions of species, from jaguars to rare plants. Many are still undiscovered by science, but this life support system is in danger. Deforestation is destroying it faster every year. If the Amazon dies, the planet struggles to breathe. Subscribe to NeoFactX and explore NF Geofacts for more.